Hello, this is Siri Chandana. Now we are executing our front-end assignment, chapter 5. Let's start launching VS Code first. So now we have to extract the folder where our file is stored. Let's open the folder. So these are the files we have to execute right now. So let's start with chapter first. The chapter file is about the interactive slideshow. Let's check with the errors first. Well, there are no errors. It's about the presenting the slides of images, and it will continuously present the images. And we have the option pause and resume. The slides automatically will present, and wherever we want, we can resume it, and we can select the picture so that it will give enlarged image of the particular image. And this is about our chapter. Let's start with executing our project files. Let's start with project 1, which is an algebra quiz. Let's start with checking errors. Well, there are no errors, so let's start the quiz, and we have to complete the quiz in 10 seconds. And after the 10 seconds, it will correct our answers, and it gave prompt like this. We have 3 incorrect out of 5 questions. So you have to check what are the wrong, and you can see like this. This is about project 1. Let's start with executing the project 2 file. So let's check the errors of project 2. Well, there are no errors. The project 2 about ranking the photos. So let's start with uh, the ranking the photos. Whenever we mistakenly click the photo, we can click on the image so that it retrieve back to the list, and then we can proceed with our ranking. This is about our second project. Let's start with executing our third project. So this project is about the table of contents. First, check with the errors. Well, there are no errors. So it's about displaying the content. When we click the heading of the content, it will give the prompt under the content. Let's click on sixth, and it will appear the sixth as PD trails. If we click on fourth, search and seizure, and it will appear the prompt under the search and seizure. This about our project 3. Let's start with executing project 4. Well, let's start with checking errors first. Well, there are no errors. It's good to go. And it's about the footnotes. Whenever we click on the heading, it will have to appear the meaning in a new window. So it's multimeter, which means the meaning disappears under this, and we can close it. So this is about project 4. Let's go with project 5. It's about, let's start with errors first. Well, there are no errors. It's about the concentration game where we have to click the images. If you want to play a new game, you have to refresh this. And that's it. This about our assignment.